So the area bounded by these four, y is equal to e to the power minus x square, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to 1. The enclosed area is revolved around y-axis, and we need to find the volume that is generated using cylindrical shell method. So first let's draw y is equal to minus x square. That will look like something like this, and this one is y-axis, so x is equal to 0. This is x-axis, y is equal to 0, and then x is equal to 1, which will be here. So this area, the enclosed area, is revolved around y-axis, and we need to find the volume that is generated using cylindrical shell method. So if we consider one section here, this one, and let's say this is dx. So the cylinder, the shell, one of the shell will look like this, as we have seen before. So this is the thickness dx, the height, which is this one, is fx or y. So let's say fx or y, and then we have the radius, which is this much, which is basically this, which is x. So surface area of one of the shell is 2 pi rh, that is 2 pi r is x and h is fx, and then the volume is multiplied by thickness. So this is the volume of one of the shells, and we will have lot of shells from 0 to 1, from x0 to 1, because dx is the variable, so we are using the limits of x. So 2 pi 0 to 1 x e to the power minus x square, instead of fx I am writing e to the power minus x square dx. So this is the integration that we have to do. Now as we are seeing that here we can do this integration by doing a substitution. So we can write x square is equal to k, which will give us 2x dx is equal to dk. So the new variable is now k. So when x is equal to 1, k is 1. When x is 0, k is 0. That's pretty much the same. So 0, 1, 2 pi, and this is becoming half now, because x dx is dk. So x dx is half dk. So that too is outside here, and then e to the power minus k instead of x square dk. So that's the integration that we have to do. So this is becoming pi, and then this is negative here, e to the power minus k 1 0. So that's minus k minus pi, and then e to the power minus 1 minus e to the power 0, which is minus pi here, 1 over e minus that's 1, e to the power 0 is 1, so that's 1 here. Or we can take the negative side, negative sign inside, so we can write pi 1 minus 1 over e, that's cubic unit. That's the generated volume.